that place hasn't been doing nothing for us for the last 15 minutes. Move her over here, see if we can get something going. Just a little wiggle. Let her lay there for a second. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just dropped her in there. Come up and hit it. It's going to be a little guy, you know. At least we got something. That was the last one for the day. Just said we got one more. We're going to roll out. Small on the short side. Top of the mouth. That new jig right there is definitely putting in work today. Look at it. Look at it. So, let's take a little gander at this one. Not bad. Not bad at all. Definitely not going to make the cut. So, go ahead and drop them down. Adios. And with that being said,